Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login It. In this video, I will guide you on how to log into your Depop account. So if you want to log into your Depop account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, open any browser of your choice. Here you can see I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type www.depop.com, press enter. Now you can see here you'll be led to the official website of Depop. If you want to log into your account, simply look at the top right corner and you can see option for login. All you have to do is click on this option. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll have to enter your username and your password. Click on the email or username box and enter your username, or you can also enter your email. Now you'll have to enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can reset the password by simply clicking on forget password. Now all you have to do is click on login. After clicking on login, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log into Depop account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.